A skateboard is more than four wheels and a piece of wood. It can be the thing that takes you somewhere, and I'm not just talking about a destination. Skating can change your life. It all depends on the choices you make. Hardcore guys skate for one person only, themselves. They don't need trophies or fame. They skate till it hurts, and then they skate some more. And if someone gets in their way, well, that person's gonna get wrecked. Riggers are innovators. They see potential where others see nothing. From fixing a busted spot to making a new one where no one's ever skated before. Once they build it, though, they've still got to be crazy enough to use it.
Dude, are you sure about that? Keep rolling!
Career skaters take it to a whole nother level, where a paycheck is on the line. They skate so you'll know damn well how good they are, and you will know. They fly around the world, get their faces in magazines and on TV, and get paid to do it. Total rock stars. How you skate is who you are. It's that simple.
Hey man, East Coast, you gotta love it. The way I hear it, making your way as a skater here all depends on who you want to be and what you want to do. There are some great locals and pros here that can give you a good lead on your choices. Good luck, bro. Just remember, each choice you make defines a part of who you are.
Oh, hey, man, you gotta check this Jeff King vid out.
Yeah? Well, let me see.
I want to see what you guys come up with to shred. So build something, film yourself skating it, and send in the video. If your stuff is on point, you might just get a visit from me. Time to get to work.
Oh, hell yeah, man. We should totally do that contest.
Do what? Build something?
Yeah, let's go find something we can trick out. We can raid my dad's garage for tools.
As long as your pops don't mind, I'm down.
Launch over this abandoned car. I'll record you when you air over it. Oh, check that out! Hey, build another kicker to hit this one, too. Got it! Yo, build a kicker to gap this last one, and I'll send the video of all three to Jeff King's show. Nice! Our video's up on Jeff King's site. Awesome!
There's a bunch of other vids too. You think we got a chance?
Same as everybody else. Oh, hey, I got a jet. But meet me back here later.
Yeah, when King calls, take a message for me.
Man, don't look so bad.
Are we looking at the same gap?
You got this.
Whoa! Awesome!
Come on, man. You telling me you can't clear that?
I can't believe this. Mike V watching me bust my ass.
You're skating at that gap like you're trying to do a kickflip.
I am trying to do a kickflip.
No, you're trying to clear a huge gap and do a kickflip while you're at it. But you're never gonna do it unless you go faster.
Faster? How am I supposed to do that?
Come on, let me show you. Yeah, you got it. Now let's try some practice gaps. Use your aggro kick to hit that kicker. Jump from this line, past this line, and land it. Awesome! Let's try another. Use your aggro kick to hit that kicker. Jump from this line, pass this line and land it. Okay, now for that roof gap you couldn't clear before. Use your aggro kick to hit that kicker. Jump from this line. Do a kickflip, make it past this line, then land it. Perfect. See? Speed's the key.
You're right. Those extra few pushes were the move.
Hey, brothers. I got that one on film right here.
Yeah? Let me see.
Well, you could look at it now, but you wouldn't see much. I gotta develop it first. It's film, see?
Oh, that's old school, man.
Hey, dude, is there any other way? Hey, thanks for the show, guys. I gotta run.
Hey, what's your name?
Well, friends call me Cooper. Hey, stay stoked, dudes.
That dude's got the right idea. Hey, if you're up for it, meet me back here and we'll skate some more.
Yo, man, check this out. Oh, my legs are blown.
Get up, or I'm going over you.
Screw you. I'm dying over here.
Me too. But before we take off, I want to nail this.
Yeah, man, that's what I want to hear.
Hey, aren't you Ardo sorry? Hey, what the hell are you doing here?
On tour, man. Just doing some demos in town. Heard about this spot, wanted to check it out. You guys from around here?
I've been skating this spot for years. Now Fresh Legs here's trying to show me up.
Come on, Spence. You still kill it.
That's right. And I'd smoke you if my knees weren't blown. You should check this guy out.
Yeah? All right, then. Let's see what you got.
You do that. I gotta go collapse now.
Nice one. Good job. That was really good. That was pretty impressive, man. Now put it all together and show me what you learned. Yeah, man, nice one. That was good.
Hey, man, come find me in Philly. Hey, you that kid Arto and Mike V have been talking about?
Hey, Tony. Maybe what they've been saying.
Saying some kid they went skating with was an up-and-comer.
Yeah?
Sounds like you can do it all. Career ripper, hardcore thrasher, rigging up your own spots.
Yeah, that's me, all right.
Just know there's lots more out there to do that'll help you progress your skating. Here, let me show you. These markers are skill challenges. The first marker tells you what trick to do. Jump, then grind before the marker to start the challenge. Keep your balance to this marker for an AM ranking. If you can keep holding the trick, stay on the line to this marker for a pro ranking. For a sick ranking, make it all the way to the end. Here's a tip. Oh, that's... Way to grind! Meet me back here and we'll do some more. Here's another skill challenge. The first marker tells you what trick to do. Manual on the ground through the marker to start the challenge. Keep your balance to this marker for an AM ranking. If you can keep holding the trick, stay on the line for a sick... Here's a tip. See how far you can... Nice manual skills. Meet me back here and we'll do some more. Grinds, manuals, hitting long lines. Skaters have left their marks for big airs, stalls, wall rides, nada spins, and more. These icons show photo challenge spots. If you keep hanging with the pros, your skating will progress and your skills will increase. Magazines and sponsors are always looking for photos of skilled skaters. Look for photo challenges to show off your stuff, earn cash, and upgrade your abilities. Go up to the camera icon to start the goal. Try it! Alright, here's our photo spot. The trick is to grind this porch roof. The camera has been placed here with the target on the trick spot. When you go through the target, you'll see yourself from the camera. Do the trick and take a picture when you're in the target to beat the challenge. Here's a tip. Jump off this to get high enough to grind the roof. Nice! Remember to look for things to jump off to get up to the high lines. Meet me back here to learn some more. These icons show film challenge spots. Like I said before, keep hanging with the pros and your skate skills will continue to grow. As you learn new skills, companies making videos will take notice and you'll gain new film challenges. Footage of skilled skaters is a hot ticket for magazines and sponsors. Look for film challenges to show off your stuff, earn cash, and upgrade your abilities. Doing film challenges is a great way to get more footage to edit and submit to editor challenges. Try it. Let's shoot some tricks on this quarter pipe. First, I want to see you do a revert. Jump off this quarter pipe, then as soon as you land, revert. Now it's time to link it to the manual. As soon as you land, do a revert. Then do a manual right away. Now let's tie it all together. Nice! Now meet me over here and we'll try some other things. These icons show line challenges. Trick on the first object and the challenge will start. When you trick on something, the next object in the line will highlight. Keep tricking on each object while keeping your combo going. Good job! Mike and Arto were right.
Thanks.
There's a whole world of possibilities out there for someone with your skills.
So, like, what should I do?
Just stay true to yourself and you'll be fine. You're officially on my radar now, kid. I'll be checking in with you from time to time.
Okay.
You've got real potential. Work hard enough and you could have your own team one day.
Get out of here.
I'm serious. Keep hanging with Arto to get some career exposure, or go big with Mike V to build up your hardcore cred. And the word is, Jeff King was pretty impressed with that vid you sent in.
Yeah?
Get ready, kid. This is just the beginning. The East Coast scene is huge, and there's always pros around. Who knows who you'll run into? Hey, it's a big world out there with a lot of possibilities. You can work on your career by skating with Arto, continue going hardcore with Mike V, check in with your bud Rube to do some more rigging stuff, go through here anytime to hang out in your skate lounge. And you can always focus on more street challenges like I showed you. Good luck, kid.